Okay, chalo, let us see. So there might be some problem. This is not showing. So ready, everyone? Hey, do you have any idea about real number? Real number means what? Tell me. Okay, combination of rational and irrational. Though this chapter is what all about number system, so we are going to discuss about rational as well as irrational. So uh, rational means what? Which can be expressed in which form? P by Q form. And irrational means where? P by Q, where P and Q are what? Integers, and Q is not equals to 0. And irrational means what? Which is not rational. Okay, basically it is depends upon their decimal form, right? What is the decimal form of rational numbers? Either terminating or non-terminating repeating. Okay, and what about irrational numbers? Non-terminating and non-repeating. Actually, what we are going to discuss, right now the question. Okay, while discussing question, it is coming from or it is based on which part we are going to discuss, right? Here today's session based about what question discussion, right? So now is it visible the question? Okay, everyone, question visible? Okay, right? Chalo, see now the question is what, like this. Every rational number is what? Every rational number is a natural number, real number, an integer, a whole. So right now we have discussed what rational numbers are. What either what it is a coming on the real number, means real numbers are either rational or irrational. Is that clear? This question answer clear, everyone? So every rational number is a which one? That is a real number. That is a real number. Is that clear? Okay, everyone? Chalo. Is this clear? Let us move to the next question. So next question, who can answer? Between two rational number, there is no rational number. There is exactly one rational number. There are infinitely many rational numbers. There are only rational number and no irrational numbers. Which one? Option C. How many of you are agree? Tell me. Right? Do you know? So between two rational number means if I'm writing bacho 1 by 2, okay, 3 by 4. Are the rational number? Are the rational numbers? So between them, how many rational numbers are there? Between two rational number, how many rational numbers are there? Infinite. Right? Clear? So which one is the correct answer, bolo? C. Clear, everyone? Okay, फटाफट answer दे दो. I hope you know this, right? All? ठीक है? So now, next question. Decimal representation of a rational number cannot be what? Which one? A decimal representation of a rational number cannot be non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay, decimal representation of a rational number cannot be terminating. Yes, it can be terminating, right? Non-terminating, do you think it is only non-terminating? No. So it is non-terminating repeating, because all rational numbers are what? Non-terminating? No. Rational numbers. All rational numbers are what? Non-terminating and repeating. That is known as what? Recurring or terminating. That means though it is given cannot be. It is given what? Cannot be. It is given cannot be. Decimal representation of rational number. What can be? It is given cannot be. What can be? That is either terminating or non-terminating repeating. If it will ask you can be, though it is asking cannot be, So cannot be means what? Non-terminating and non-repeating. Decimal expansion of rational number cannot be non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay, clear? Understand? Because this is the decimal representation of which one? Irrational number. Is that clear, everyone? Okay, any doubt now? Okay, chalo, let us move to the next question. Next, the product of any two irrational number, IR into IR, irrational into irrational. Okay, give one example. Which two irrational number is rational? Root 2 into 3 root 2. बोलो क्या है? Root 2 into 3 root 2 is 3 into root 2 into root 2, that is 6. Therefore, we have got what first case? That is rational. That is rational. Right or not? Okay, let us now multiply. Second case we will take. Let us multiply. That is root 3 into root 5. So ये तो irrational है, ये भी irrational. You know square root of non-perfect square. Square root of non-perfect square is what? Irrational. So root 3 into root 5 क्या है? Root 15. Is that clear? Root 15 is what? It is a non-perfect square. So square root of non-perfect square is what? Irrational. Irrational. Is that clear, everyone? Again, done. Clear? Any doubt now? So the product of any two irrational number is what? Is that visible question? Question is visible, right? Bolo, tell me the product of any two irrational number is what? Always an irrational number. No, you have seen rational, irrational. So always a rational number. No. So always an integer. No. So sometimes rational, sometimes irrational. Option D is true. Is that clear? Any doubt? Example you have seen or not? Yes or no? Okay. Take. Chalo. Let us move to the next question. Okay. Now see the decimal expansion of the number root 2 is what? Root 2 is an irrational number. So just now we have discussed the square root of non-perfect square is what? Irrational. So therefore root 2 is irrational. What is the decimal form? No. This is the decimal expansion of the number root 2 is. It is not. It is a rational number. It is a terminating decimal value. It is not root 2 value. You can say approximate, but it is not asking approximate. Is that asking approximate? So therefore, a finite decimal, no. Is it correct? No. It is an approximate value, but not exact. So therefore, root 2 cannot be the decimal form of root 2 cannot be 1.41421. So which can be non-terminating recurring? Do you think? No, because non-terminating recurring is whose decimal form? Bolo. That is rational. Is this a rational number? No, it is not rational. So therefore, which one is left? D. D is correct. Non-terminating. Is that clear? Any doubt now? Okay? Clear. Next question. Ready, everyone? Okay. Which of the following is irrational number? Irrational. Check karo. Irrational. Which of the following? Square root of 4 by 9 क्या है? Square root of 4 by 9 क्या है? अरे बोल. Square root of 4 by 9 is what? That is 4 by 9 is 4 by 9 equals to 2 by 3. What about this? Root 12 by root 13. You can write this is root 12 by 3. So therefore 3, 4. So square root of 4. Square root of 4 is what? 2. So is it an irrational? No, rational. What about square root of 81? 9. Square root of 81 is 9. But left now which one, bachcho? Root 7. So therefore, root 7 is an irrational number. Why root 7 is irrational? Why? Root 7 is a non-perfect square. Is that clear? So square root of non-perfect square is what? Irrational. Is that clear? Understood? Right? Okay. Chalo. Let us move to the next part. Over this is everyone. Over. Check. Chalo. Next question. See this question. Clear? Okay. Which of the following is irrational? Which of the following is irrational? Irrational means what? Irrational. Very good. These all are given in which form? All options? Decimal. Though decimal, so which one shows non-terminating? Non-repeating. Bolo recurring decimals are rational or irrational? Rational. Right? So here 0.4 is which kind of decimal? Terminating. Terminating. Clear all? Which one? Terminating. Got it? Now B. It is? Why this is recurring? 0.1416 bar. Yes? Though it is 16 bar, so it can be written as how? Bolo. How? 0.14161616. Is not it? So ये क्या है? Recurring, repeating. What about this? Recurring, because bar is there. But here 0.401400140014 ... means it is non-terminating. Why it is non-terminating? Who can say? Dot is given. Dot means it is continued like this. That is non-terminating. Is it repeating? No. So therefore it is non-terminating, non-repeating. Is that clear? So this is irrational, right? So which one question is asking? Asking about here. Which of the following is irrational? Got irrational? Which one? Got everyone? Irrational is which one? Option D. Option D. Clear option D. Option D is irrational. Got it? ठीक है. Chalo. Next. Next question, right? See, next question. A rational number between root 2 and root 3. Why options? Okay, others. Why not root 2 plus root 3 by 2? Because you know, for finding a rational number between two numbers, basically you have studied which formula? You know, if A and B are two number, how can you find out a rational number between them? That is A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2, right or not? You can find, but here the root 2, root 3 given, then why not you can use this? Root 2, here A is what? Root 2. Here A is क्या है? Root 2. B क्या है? Root 2. Root 3, sorry. Root 3. Root 2 plus root 3 is rational or irrational? Irrational, right or not, bachcho? Irrational by 2. Irrational by rational is always irrational. Clear? Clear, everyone? Understood why we will not choose this one? Okay, basically. So whenever you see this type of question, you may be directly, it might hit your mind that let us check this option, yes or no. But don't do this kind of mistake, right? So it is irrational. Irrational plus irrational kya hai? Irrational, and irrational divided by 2 is irrational by rational is always irrational. Done, everyone? Okay? Irrational by rational. That's why whole is irrational. But question is asking about rational. So therefore A is not true. Now root 2 into root 3 similarly. Product is irrational. Root 2 into root 3 kya? Irrational. Root 6. Root 6 by 2 is what? Irrational by rational equals to irrational. So this is not our correct answer. Got it? Now 1.5. 1.5. You know which one? Root 2. What is the approximate value of root 2? Bolo? 1.414 and so on. And root 3 value? Done. So this is irrational, right? So 1.5 coming between them or not? But 1.5 is a terminating. That's why it is what? Rational. Done. 1.8, though it is irrational, but it is not coming between them. Yes, clear? So which one is the correct answer? C. C. Is that clear, everyone? Let us move. Let us move to the next question. Right? So online, those who are, so you see that which link I have shared, it is the some error might be there. It is not working now. It is the visible to you. Okay. So then, chalo. Okay. Are you clear? I hope all of you are clear, right? Okay. Chalo. Next question. Next question. Okay. The value of 1.999 in P by Q form, where P and Q are integer, Q is not equals to 0. What is? Why 2? Why 2? Hmm. Okay. First you see 1.999 means 9 bar. We have to write in P by Q form. We have to write in P by Q form. So for writing this P by Q form, generally you are taking what? Let X is this, is not it. Let X equals to 1.9 bar. Are you getting, everyone? So now, though here one place is repeating, one place. Why? Because 1.999 is given question. So though here one place is repeating, hence we have to multiply both sides by how much? 10. So 10x is how much? 10x is how much? 1.9 bar into 10. So that is 10x equals to 19. Right? 0.9 bar. Is that clear? So this is number 1 equation. This is number 2 equation. Got it? Let us subtract. Let us subtract which one? Because though in equation 1 and 2, their decimal part are same. So right now we can subtract. So while subtracting, what we will get? 10x minus x equals to 19.9 bar minus 1.9 bar, which implies 10x minus x is how much? 9x. 9x equals to how much? 18. So this implies x equals to 18 by 2, that is 18 by 9, that is 2. Answer, right? Everyone clear? Okay. So solve for it. Right? Solve this, everyone, immediately. Solve kar do. So means how to express a recurring decimal into P by Q form, right? Here, solve kar do this one. Chalo, right? Okay. Here, everyone. Bolo. ओके ओके क्लियर बोलो. Shall we move to next question? Tell me, everyone. Okay, ready? ठीक है. Okay, done. Now, any doubt? This question clear, everyone? Check karo. 2 root 3 plus root 3 is equals to which one? 2 root 3 plus root 3 is equals to how much? 3 root 3. Clear? Why? 2 mango plus mango, right? That way, right? Is that clear? It is 3 root 3. Done. Now, root 10. Yeah, let me write answer here. What is that? 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3 answer. Got it? Clear? Now, don't you know? You don't know. अरे बेटा 2 root 3 plus 1 root 3. So both are means 2 root 3 मतलब क्या है? Root 3 plus root 3. 2 root 3. Clear? Plus another root 3. So how many root 3 total? 3 root 3. और क्या है? Are you getting? Right? So 2 root 3 plus root 3 is what? 3 root 3. Like 2 mango plus 1 mango is 3 mango. Okay? Mango plus mango plus mango. ठीक है? चलो चलो कोई बात नहीं. Don't worry. Why you are worried? Huh? You having doubt? Why? So root 10 into root 15. Root 10 into root 15. How can we write? Who can say? First, root 10 into root 15 can be written as 10 into 15. Got it? Factorize karo. 2 into 5 into 5, right? And now check karo 5, 5, though 2 5s are there. While finding square root, so you'll write 5 into root 6. Chalo likh do. Right? Finish karo. So which one is the correct answer? Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Write this. Root 10 into root 15 is what? So that is 5 root 6. Got it? Clear? We'll go. We have some extra questions. Over this is right. Okay, over. Okay. Next question. The number of 10 on rationalizing the denominator of 1 by root 7 minus 2. Rationalization, do you remember? Root 7 plus 2 by. So you know if root a plus b or root a minus b is there, how can you rationalize? Why? You have to multiply root a minus plus b. Why? root a minus plus b. Are you clear? Or root a plus b. Rationalizing factor क्या है? Root a minus b. Similarly, root a minus b's rationalizing factor is root a plus b. Got it? Got it? Is that clear? So here in denominator, which one is there? Root a plus b there, or root a minus b is there? Root a minus b is there. So what should we do? So 1 by root 7 minus 2 into, we should multiply what? Root 7 plus 2, but only multiplying root 7 plus 2 value will be changed. So therefore we have to multiply same on where? Numerator. So what should we write? Root 7 plus 2. Is that clear? So therefore it will become root 7 plus 2 by root 7 square minus 2 square. That is root 7 plus 2 by 7 minus 4. Root 7 plus 2, root 7 plus 2 by 3. So this is what? This is the rationalization of this. We have rationalized the denominator. Denominator is rationalized or not? Denominator क्या है? 3. So 3 क्या है? Rationally rational. Rational. So which one is the correct option? Option A. Have you solved everyone? Solved? चलो चल करो फटाफट 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 फिनिश करो. Okay, over this is बोलो. Over. ठीक है ठीक है. ठीक चलो. Okay. Finish this immediately. Finish this. So this is what? Rationalizing factor. This is the rationalizing factor of this. Rationalizing factor. Okay. Rationalizing factor. Anda clear? ठीक है. चलो. Next question. Shall we move? Done? ठीक है. Next question. चलो check करो. So what is 1 by square root of 9 minus square root of 8? क्या बोल बाबा? क्या बोलो? अरे बोलो, square root of 9 minus square root of 8. You have to rationalize this. You have to rationalize na. So what? Yeah, while writing square root of 9 minus square root of 8. Clear? First let us simplify. It will become now 1 by square root of 9 is how much? Square root of 9 is 3. So therefore 3 minus square root of 8. Array 8 can be written as now what? Product of 2 into 2 into 2. So square root, what is 2 root 2? Therefore 2 root 2 we have written. Okay, but it is what? Irrational. Which one is irrational? Denominator. Denominator is irrational. So therefore what you have to do? We have to multiply the rationalizing factor. So 3 minus 2 root 2 into 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 plus 2 root 2. So which is 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. Is that clear, everyone? So this will be 3 plus 2 root 2 by how much? Okay, how much? 9 minus 4. 4 into, okay, 4 into root 2 into root 2, right? We can write 8. Clear? That is 3 plus 2 root 2. So which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Option D. Got it? Clear? Okay. ठीक. चलो, let me see. लिख दो immediately. Right, rationalization means लिखो. Okay. Okay, everyone, clear or not? Bolo. Okay, take. Okay, done. Written. Hey, written. Clear. ठीक है. Chalo, let us move. Let us move to the next question, right? So next question is, after rationalizing the denominator of this, we get the denominator is what? Check karo, 3 root 3 means it will become what? You should multiply 3 root 3 minus plus 2 root 2, right? So it will become how much? So 7 into 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 into 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. So that is how much? Bolo. ये क्या है? Let it be 7 into 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3. Are you clear what we have done here? Right? What, though it is given the denominator, we have multiplied the rationalizing factor minus the plus. Done. As well as we have multiplied where? Where we have multiplied? We have multiplied numerator. So therefore 3 root 3 square minus 2 root 2 square, right? So 7 into 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 by how much? That is how much? 27 minus 8, right? That is 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 by how much? Bolo. 19. Is that correct? So what is the denominator? Question is asking what is the denominator? Denominator क्या है? Understood? Okay. Hey, oh, clear or not you? Huh? Okay, ठीक है. चलो next question. Over. This is all. Over. Everyone. लिख दो. फटाफट लिख दो. Completed. Finish करो. Solve. If you know, solve with me directly, right? Everyone. Those you know, solve with me, right? Then we can finish more questions within the limited time, right? Clear, everyone? Okay, we'll move to the next question. Completed? Completed na everyone? Next. Right, chalo, next question. Next question check karo. Root 3 plus root 48 by root 8 plus root 12. First, bachcho, simplify this question. If the given values whose square root is given, if that is not prime numbers, you just go simplifying that. Are you getting the point? Do you think 32 is a prime number? No, so therefore you have to simplify that. 48, no, simplify. 8, no, and 12, all are what? Given composite numbers. So first you simplify them. Got it? So whenever you see composite number, first you simplify. Chalo, let us solve, right? Are you ready? Are you ready for this question? Okay, chalo, solve karo. So now question is root 32 plus root 48. Who can say? What is the answer? Root 32 value क्या है? अबे 32 क्या है? It is multiple of 5 2, right or not? So 4 2 तो what? Square root is 2 2. That is what? बोलो 4 root 2 plus 48. 48. चलो चलो factorize कर दो 48. 48 to how much? To how much? To 2 24. To 12. To 6. To 3. So therefore square root will be 2 into 2. How much? 4 root 3. 4 root 3. Solve karo. 4 root 3. Is that clear? Whole divided by root 8. Root 8 is how much? 2 root 2 plus how much? 2 root 3. You know this. ठीक है? ठीक है? Okay, very good. So let us rationalize this. Right now the time is for rationalizing. So how can we rationalize? 4 root 2 plus, oh, you can take 4 common. Okay, 4 and 2 we can take common. Let us take 4 is common. Root 2 plus root 3 divided by 2. Root 2 plus root 3. So now these two are cancelled. These two are cancelled. So what is left? 2 to 4. So answer is how much? Answer is how much? 2, right? Clear, everyone? Over? So you see, basically, you have to see while solving. You see, I'm going to right now rationalize that, but you should see while solving. You can see it will come to your eye. Yeah, both are having root 2, root 3. So while taking common, we can cancel. So, but while solving question, read properly the question. Okay. Order, then after solve. Okay. Understood you? Okay. You have no exam now? Do you have an exam now? No. When you're in next exam? Okay. Take. Over. Are you clear? I'm thinking you are having some doubt. No. But you are looking like that. Okay. Okay. Clear? Chalo, let us move to the next question. Let us move to the next question. Tell me, how can you solve this question? First, you rationalize that. Okay? Here, it is given root 2 value. Don't use first root 2 value. First, you rationalize, then after you use the root 2 value. Is that clear? So first we have to solve. Chalo solve karo. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. We will solve first right now this. Then after we'll find their square root. Got it? Chalo solve karo. What shall I multiply? What shall I multiply? Bolo. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Is that clear? So therefore it will become root 2 minus 1 what? Square, whole square by root 2 square plus minus 1 square. Why? Which formula, which identity we have used here? Bolo. A plus B into A minus B. That is A square minus B square. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. Done. Chalo. Root 2 minus 1 whole square by, what is that? 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1 whole square is how much? Root 2 minus 1 whole square kya? Root 2 square plus. Arey Baba, I know. Oh, you want to find directly that one. Okay. Chalo, let it be. Okay. So it will become what? Root 2 minus 1 whole square by 1. Okay? By 1. So we have simplified which one? Which one under root? Means this one will. Right? Okay. So now our question is what? Find root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1, right? So therefore it will become, now already we have solved, this is how much, root 2 plus 1 whole square. Okay, here, okay. Are Baba, root 2 minus 1 we have got, now this is, by solving these we have got root 2 minus 1 whole square. Yeah, doubt, is that visible to you? So root 2 minus 1 square we have got. Now we are putting directly this value here. Square root of root 2 minus 1 square, right? This is minus 1. We have to use this minus 1. Now square and square root of a square is what? Square root of a square is what? Square root of a square is a, right? So similarly here we can write square root of root 2 minus 1 whole square is what? Root 2 minus 1. Got it? ठीक है? So now check करो root 2 value क्या है? 1.4142 given minus 1. Answer is how much? 0.4142. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear? Okay, chalo solve कर दो. Check over. First you find this value, then after use here. This is just, I have given you what, rough work. Okay, first you find this one, then after use root 2 value. Do not directly use root 2 value. Okay, over. Yes, ठीक है. Over. Tell me, everyone. Completed? Tell me, फटाफट. Over ना? Okay, chalo, let us move to the next question. Over, this is over, everyone. Chalo, now check karo next question. So what is the value of this? It is, do you know it is coming from which part of the number system? Exponent, laws of exponent, right? Okay, so now if we'll simplify this, it is given, check karo, fourth root cube root of 2 square. Okay, who can say fourth root means what? Let us, I am writing fourth root of a means what? A, Babu, 4 to the power, a to the power 1 by 4, right? Clear? Okay, similarly, now cube root of 2 square given, cube root of 2 square. So cube root of 2 square is what? 2 to the power 2 by 3, or what? 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 by 3, we can say. Is not it? So now check karo, while solving this, we can write which part? First this one, right? This one, like this one. Again, so that is what? 2 to the power 2 whole to the power how much? 1 by 3. Got it? Then its fourth root. So fourth root would be what? 2 square to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 1 by 4. That is how much? 2 to the power 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. That is how much? Bola, how much? How much is the answer? 2 to cancel, that is 2 to the power 1 by 6. Is that there in answer? Which one? Which one? Option C is the correct answer. Clear everyone? Clear? Okay? Right answer. चलो लिख दो फटाफट लिखो. You have completed ना? Okay. Let us move to the next question. What happened, Gaurav? Over. Tell me. फटाफट. Completed. ठीक. चलो. Let us move to next question. Shall we move to the next question? Next question. Ready? ठीक. चलो. Next question. Now the product of this equals to what? Product of this equals to what? Solve karo. Visible question. So cube root of 2. Cube root of 2 is how much? 4th root of 2 into 12th root of 32. Product would be how much? Right? Okay. So you can write this is 2 to the power. This one 1 by 4 into this one. Okay, 32 to the power 12 we have written. Further, 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 2 to the power into this 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5, you know, to the power 1 by 2, right? So therefore 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 4 into 2 to the power how much? 1 by 12. This 1 by 2. So this is 2 to the power 5 by 12. Got it? Okay, this is 32 to the power 1 by 12. Got it? So therefore it will become how much? 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 4 into 2 to the power 5 by 12. We have got now. Now 2 to the power how much? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12. Okay? Clear? Any doubt? Understood? So what is the LCM? LCM क्या है बोलो? LCM क्या है? LCM is 12. Okay. Do you know now? This is which formula? Who can say which formula? First we have used here 32 case. You know, a to the power m to the power n. That is a to the power mn. In case of 32 we have used. And then after in this place, the base is same. A to the power m into a to the power n. बच्चों base same है तो power क्या है? A to the power m plus n. Which one we have used here? Got it? Huh? So we have used here this formula. We have added. Okay. So now LCM is 12. So 4 plus 3 plus how much? 5. So that is how much? 4 plus 3 plus 5. क्या है? 12, 2 to the power 12 by 12, that is 2 to the power 1, that is 2. Over? Over? Chalo. Let us move to the next question. Done? Okay. Salai? Iraj? Okay. ठीक. देखो 1 by 9. So what is that? 81 to the power minus 2 square root या fourth root is this. So how can you write 81 to the power minus 2 whole to the power 1 by 4? That is how much? 81 to the power 2 by 4. A to the power m to the power n. A to the power m whole to the power n. A to the power m into n. A to the power m into n. So therefore it will become how much? 9 square you want to write. Okay. 9 square whole to the power minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4 you can cancel. That is how much? Minus 1 by 2. So 9 to the power 2 whole to the power minus 1 by 2. That is 9 to the power 2 into minus 1 by 2. Are you clear? So we are using here that same law. What is a to the power m to the power n? Got it? So 2 to cancel. 9 to the power minus 1 is how much? Do you know this one? If the power is negative, so the base will be reciprocate. Got it? Understand? With same power you can write. Okay. So 9 to the power minus 1 equals to 1 by 9. Okay, everyone. Okay. Over? No. Chalo, finish karo. Finish karo immediately. Finish karo, finish karo, finish karo. Over? बोलो over है कि नहीं? ठीक है. Next question. Ready, everyone? Shall we move to the next question? Yeah, ball. Okay. भाई ये सुनो. ठीक है. This question is visible, everyone. Question visible ना? चलो लगाओ आंसर. What is given? 256 to the power 0.16 into 256 to the power 0.09. This is a question. So though base is same, we can add the now power. So it will become how much? 256 whole to the power 0.16 plus 0.09. So which is 256 whole to the power. How much? 0.25 beta. 0.25. Now बच्चों check करो. 256 whole to the power 25 by 100. So therefore 256 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 means what? Fourth root. So let us first we simplify 256. No, always you simplify the prime number, right? So 256 divided by 2, that is 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 8 are 16, 2 6 12, 2 4, 2 64, 2 32, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2, right? Now check karo. Now check karo. Okay, so how many twos? How many twos? 1 2 3 4 pair. 4 pair means 8. 2 to the power 8 we can write. Yes. Which one is this? This is only 256. This is only 256. 256 to the power 1 by 4. So therefore it will become now 2 to the power 8 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Got it? So therefore it will become 2 to the power how much? 4. 2. 4 2 is 8. 2 square how much? 4. Which one is answer? Okay. Option A is the correct answer. Got it? Chalo, likh do. Likh do. So first you read the question, then start solving, right? Priyanshu, over. ठीक है. You two have completed here, only you're sitting idle. Completed? Take. Chalo. Let us move to the next question. Right, everyone? Are you ready for the next question? Are you ready, everyone? Take. Chalo. Answer clear? Now, move to the next question, everyone. Oh, right. Now, this is actually which one we have used now. So, if I erase everything, I have to erase. Okay. So, this is completed. Tell me. Online? Over? Any doubt? Tell me. This question is clear now. Okay. All. ठीक है. Over. Check. Chalo. Let us move to the next question. Next question, बच्चों. Ready? Completed. Check करो you two. Okay. Chalo. Move to the next question, बच्चों. See the next question. Which of the following is equals to x? Is equals to x means in this case you have to check each and every option. Every option. Why C? Okay, let us see. C is saying C, right? So let us check YC. Okay, and that is given XQ. Let us start from right. Start from where, bacho? Where? Option C. It is square root of x cube whole to the power. Square root of, how can you read this question? Square root of x cube whole to the power how much? 2 by 3. Hence, we have to write this is what? X to the power 3 or x cube, those square roots. So power would be what? 1 by 2, you know. Right? Whole to the power how much? Whole to the power how much? 2 by 3. It is coming under which law? Which law? Bro? A to the power n whole to the power n equals to m into n. Bus. That is power is power. Okay, same as. Okay. No, that is so x to the power 3 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. Right, bacho? Check karo 3 cancel. So 2 cancel. So therefore x to the power 1 equals to x. Very good. Right answer. Okay, everyone. So similarly, you can check all options, right? Okay. You can check, but now your option C is correct. Okay. Done. Okay, let us check option A. Option A, why it is not correct? Option A. Option C, though you have seen it is correct. Option A, check karo. Option A is given x to the power 12 by 7 minus x to the power 5 by 7. Okay. So what happened here, check karo. Here is a common, that is x to the power 1 by 7. Do you know? X to the power 1 by 7 is common. If I'm taking from x to the power 1 by 7 from here, what will be left? X to the power 12 minus x to the power 5. But we cannot further simplify this, na? Okay? We cannot further simplify. So this is the answer. So therefore, this is not equals to x. Similarly, this one also you can check. Okay? This one also you can check, but that is not equals to what? X. Got it? So without wasting much time, so let us move to the next question, right? Everyone, ready all? Ready? Everyone, check. Shall we move to the next question? Ready all? Ready now? Chalo, this question. This is what 0.6 plus 0.7 bar plus 0.47 bar. Express in P by Q form. Okay. Check karo first. So in this question, what you will do? 0.6 already given in which form? It is a rational, but it is terminating given. So all the terms write in P by Q form. Got it? Clear? So therefore you can write 0.6 is how much? 6 by how much? 10. That is 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3 by 5. Got it? Clear? Okay. 0.797 bar. But whenever bar is only one digit, so you just write that is 7 by 9. Is that clear? So you'll ask me, sir, if it is given now, this is 0.25 bar. 25 bar means 25 by 99 you can write. Is that clear? So we can solve that. We can solve that, right? Okay. Let us solve first 0.7. Let us check x is equals to 0.7 bar. Okay. So 10x is how much? 10x is how much? 10x is how much? So you have to write this. Though this is not an MCQ question, you have to write this. So that is what? 0.7 bar into 10. We have to multiply both sides 10. So 10x equals to 7.7 bar. It is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Let us subtract 1 from 2. 1 from 2. So what we will get? Are you clear? Why did we multiply 10 here? Why? Why? Because bar is only on one place after decimal. Okay, because for this it will be different, because here after one place the bar is there, after one place, that is different. We will discuss that is later on. But first you will see, whenever after decimal, if the next digit bar is only on the next digit, okay, then you will multiply what? 10 if one digit is under bar. Got it? So then it is how much? Answer bolo how much? 10x minus x is how much? 7.7 bar minus 0.7 bar. That is 9x equals to how much? 7. 9x equals to 7, right? So therefore x equals to 7 by 9. Is that true or not? Tell me. We have got or not? Done? Chalo. Next is left 0.47 bar. 0.47 bar. Okay. How can you write? This is 0.47 bar. Let us take y is this. Y is this. Now see, here after decimal, the next digit is not under bar. So which is not under bar, first let it to which side? Whole number part, whole number side. Okay, so it is decimal part, this is whole number part. So whole number side you have to bring which one? The digit which is not under bar. How you bring? By multiplying as per the requirement. Here one digit though we are bringing, so we have to multiply 10. We have to multiply 10. So it will become 10 into y equals to 0.47 bar into 10. Hey, right, bacho? Bolo 4.7 bar. Is that clear? But check karo, do you think this is number 1 equation, number 2 equation? Do you think their decimal part are same? No. So if not same, you have to further multiply. What do you have to multiply? Check karo, how many places right now under bar? One place. Therefore you have to multiply 10 on both sides. 10 on both sides, right? This implies 10y into 10 equals to 4.7 bar into 10. That is how much? How much? Huh? 100y equals to 47.7 bar. This is number 3 equation. This is number 3 equation. Is that clear? Now check these two equation. Are their decimal part same? Are their decimal part same? Yes. So therefore you have to subtract 2 from 3. 2 from 3 you have to subtract. You have to subtract 2 from 3. Which one is greater? This one is greater. Got it? So, chalo, let us subtract. It will be how much? 100y minus 10y equals to 47.7 bar minus 4.7 bar. This implies 100 minus 10 is how much? Bolo. 99. 90. 100 minus 10 is 90. Y equals to 47 minus 4 बच्चों 43 ना. So therefore y equals to 43 by 90. This is whose value? Y value. Is that clear? Is that clear? So then we have taken what? This value. How much we have got? Hey, bolo, how much we have got? 43 by 90. Right? Now let us add this 3. Let us add this 3. So while adding, how much you'll get? 0.6 plus 0.7 bar plus 0.47 bar. That equals to 3 by 5 plus 7 by 9 plus 43 by 90. What is the LCM? 90 na? Because 9 is a factor of 90. 5 is a factor of 90. So therefore 90 is LCM. Done. So 90 divided by 5 is how much? 18. 18 3? 54. Plus 90 divided by 9. 10. 10 70. Plus how much? 43. So how much? 163 though? 167 by 90 is the final answer. Got it? You are correct. Okay, everyone. He has learned all questions from NCERT exemplar. Very good, very good, very good. No, that is also okay. No, not learned. He practiced. Done? Clear? Have you solved? Okay. Chalo solve kar do. Solve kar do. You can solve na this part. You can solve na. I cannot solve. Okay. Only write this part. Okay. So how did we solve? There you can check. Okay. Done. Check. Are you clear? Any doubt? Others? Bolo. पक्का क्लिफ और क्या ठीक है चलो चलो लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फिनिश करो finished finished everyone लिख दो very good you clear बेटा ठीक है Shall we move to next question? Over yours? Over? ठीक है ठीक चलो next question. What is the answer of this question? What is? solve करो this question. ठीक है solve करो immediately solve करो चल solve कर faster Okay, I am also solving here. Check karo. So 7 root 3 by root 10 plus root 3 minus 2 root 5 by root 6 plus root 5 minus 3 root 2 by root 15 plus 3 root 2, right? This is, so we have to rationalize this. What is the rationalizing factor? Tell me. 7 root 3 by root 10 plus root 3 into how much? Root 10 minus root 3 by how much? Root 10 minus root 3. Got it? Then minus how much? 2 root 5. 2 root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5 into root 6 minus root 5 by root 6 minus root 5. Clear? Okay. Then minus 3 root 2 by root 15 plus 3 root 2 multiplied by how much? Bolo, yeah. Root 15 minus 3 root 2 by root 15 minus 3 root 2. Is that clear? Done. Chalo, let us multiply 7 root 3 multiplied by root 10 minus root 3 whole divided by, ये वाला क्या है? Denominator a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b क्या है? A plus b into a minus b. हाँ, a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? So therefore we can write here root 10 square minus root 3 square. well लिखो, clear है कि नहीं? तू clear है कि नहीं? Any doubt? Then right. Okay, minus, oh, what are you doing? You are solving each term first. Solve at a time, right? Answer 1. Okay, very good. Let us see. So 2 root 5 into root 6 minus root 5 all divided by how much? Root 6 square minus root 5 square. Why? Same, a square minus b square minus 3 root 2 into root 15 minus 3 root 2 divided by how much? Root 15 square minus 3 root 2 square. Is that clear? Is that clear, everyone? Okay, now check karo. We will multiply, that is 7. Let it be like this. Okay. Okay, let it be like this. 7 root 3 root 10 minus root 3 whole divided by, this one only will simplify. Root 10 square क्या है? 10 minus root 3 square 3 minus 2 root 5 as it is. 2 root 5 as it is. Root 6 minus root 5. Are you clear? Divided by root 6 square. Root 6 square क्या है? Root 6 square is 6 minus root 5 square क्या है? 5. Got it? Okay. Minus, that is what? 3 root 2 by root 15 minus 3 root 2 divided by root 15 square. 15 minus 3 root 2 square क्या? 339 to 18. Is that clear? Is that clear? So then बोलो क्या? 7 root 3 here, 10 minus 3. 7 will be cancelled or not? So I can write now, this is 7 root 3 into root 10 minus root 3 divided by how much? 7 minus, check karo, 2 root 5 into root 6 minus root 5 whole divided by 6 minus 1 is how much? 1 minus, this is how much? 3 root 2 into root 15 minus 3 root 2 whole divided by 15 minus 18 minus 3 minus 3. Check karo 7 7 cancel. 7 7 cancel. So only we have to multiply root 3 into root 10. How much? Root 30. Root 30 minus 3. Here minus 2 root 5 plus how much? Root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5. Kya? 5 into 2. 10 plus. Are you clear why? Minus 2 root 5 into 6. Oh, here. Oh, this one I have not written. Just. Minus 2 into root 5 into root 6 is how much? Minus 2 root 30, right? Minus plus 2 root 5 into root 5 kya hai? 5 to 10. Got it? Now minus kya hai? Plus. This is minus plus. 3 cancelled. Left what? Minus to plus ho gaya. Root 2 into root 15 kya hai? Root 30, right? And here root 2 into root 2 kya hai? 2 into 3, 6. So it is minus 6. Got it? Check karo. Root 30 plus root 30. Kitna root 30? Root 30 plus root 30. How many root 30? Plus 2 root 30. And this is minus 2 root 30. Plus root 30 plus root 30 minus 2 root 30. 3 will be cancelled. Got it, everyone? So therefore cancelled. This 3 are added. Done. Any doubt here? Why did I cancel? Are root 30 plus root 30 kya hai? 2 root 30 and minus 2 root 30. 2 root 30 minus 2 root 30. Cancel. Minus 3 minus 6 is how much? Minus 9. Here 10 is left. So 10 minus 9, that is 1 is the answer. Clear? Okay? Solve kar do immediately. Solve karo. Arithmetical add kariye kaun? Okay, over. So one more question will solve from here, then after we'll start some question from polynomial, right? First long question, then short questions, right? Okay. Over this is, tell me. Over. Okay. Salai, erase. Now you have not written. Likh do. Okay. Over. You take all copy. Chalo, take care. Okay. Now see. So some long questions were there. This one, do you know how to locate? Okay, you know this. Okay, this question we will solve. Then after we will move to where? Polynomial, right? Now check this question. Find the value of and v in each of the following cases. Find the value of and v in each of the following cases. Okay. Now this two, one I'll solve and rest one other one you'll solve, right? Let me see. So look at here. We solve. Let us solve together. First one, right? First one we'll solve. Clear? So it is given root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 equals to a plus b root 3. Done. Okay. Look at here. It is given. So you have to rationalize this. Why? Because irrationals are given. Irrational denominator is given. You have to find a rational denominator. So how? By rationalizing root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 multiplied by how much? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Is that clear? So that equals to a plus b root 3. A plus b root 3. That is how much? Root 3 minus 1. How much? Square by root 3 square minus 1 square. That is what? A plus B root 3. Is that clear? Is that clear? So only if we have multiplied and applied that same rule, a square minus b square. Therefore, it has become what? Root 3 minus 1 whole square whole divided by how much? 3 minus 1. Got it? A plus B root 3. Hence, root 3 minus 1 whole square kya hai? A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Root 3 square minus plus 1 square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 all divided by 2, right, equals to A plus B root 3. Clear? Clear? I am solving right now here this side. Check karo. Root 3 square kya hai? 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 all divided by how much? 2 equals to A plus B root 3. Where is out? Any doubt? Array, we have only simplified. We have found what? Squares, right? Nothing else. So therefore, bachcho, 3 plus 1 kya hai? 4. 4 by 2 minus 2 root 3 by 2 equals to A plus B root 3. Done. Who has not understood this part? 3 plus 1, 4 minus, we should write what this is. 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2 root 3 whole divided by 2 equals to A plus B root 3. But instead of, after this, next step, I can write now 4 divided by 2 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 4 by 2 minus 2 root 3 by 2 equals to A plus B root 3. Now check 2 to cancel. So therefore 2 minus 2 to cancel. Here that is root 3 equals to A plus B root 3. If we'll compare both sides. If we'll compare both sides. Check karo. I can write now this is 2 plus minus root 3 equals to A plus B root 3. If we'll compare left side and right side. Left side and right side. A is how much? A is how much? A is how much? A is 2. B is how much? Minus 1. B is minus 1. Because here minus 1 into root 3 is there, B root 3 there. First term is A, here first term kya? 2. So 2 equals to A. Second term plus B root 3. Here what? Plus minus root 3 is there. So root 3 to there. So therefore this minus will be B, but only minus 2 will not write now. That is minus 1. It is minus 1 because minus has multiplied with root 3. Got it? So have you got this value? Okay, clear on? Chalo, likh do. Likh do. We will move to directly now polynomials. Some question polynomial we'll discuss. Over. Check. That x square plus 1 by x square. Do you know how much? X square plus 1 by x square. Okay, that last one, that type of question I will solve one. First this side, then after here I have solved. First solve this part and then after this part. Everyone. Okay, over this is, tell me, over. Someone has written sir ये तो सर easy है, बहुत अच्छा बात है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, easy है मतलब बेटा क्या, you know everything, right? Okay, don't worry. Sir, my doubt, art and craft, yeah, your doubt definitely, huh? Okay, okay. So definitely I'll go move to your doubt better, don't worry. Okay, so definitely let them to go, right? My offline, let them they first leave, then after that I'll clear it out, right? I'll be here. Okay, don't worry. Are you there? Are you there? Art and craft, are you there or not? Tell me. Okay, over. ठीक है और clear. We'll move to next part. Next is what polynomial function solve. So why I have at last I have kept polynomial because right now we have completed recently. That's why. Okay. Which one? Which question you want to start? This question. Let us start from this question. Right? So do you know this formula? We start polynomial chapter. So from x cube plus y cube minus 12 x plus 64. When x plus y equals to minus 4. Okay. So let us find now x cube plus y cube minus 12 x plus 64 when x plus y equals to minus 4, right? Check karo x cube plus y cube. So next time then after I will keep a 4-hour class, okay? When revision. Okay. I'll keep a 4-hour class, okay? Don't worry. Then we have to start from 4 p.m. Okay, if it would be a Sunday, otherwise not possible any other day. Possible. और ठीक है चाहे कंप्लीट करी वाला ठीक ठीक चलो get ready everyone. Online ready? ठीक है ready everyone. So you can text me right now. Okay, I can see your messages. I can solve your doubt, right? So those who are having doubt also you can share, but you can share, right? Share me. Check, chalo. Let us move to this question, bacho. So x cube plus y cube minus 12xy plus 64 plus 64. Who can say it is coming from which identity? Eta? ठीक है. Now बच्चों check करो whether it is correct or not. Check करो x cube तो x cube plus y cube, it is the perfect cube. What can you say about 64? Is that a perfect cube? So you can write plus 4q, right? Now minus 12xy, you can write minus 3 into x into y into 4. You can write or not? So it is asking what, find the value of this when x plus y is 4, x plus y is minus 4. So bacho, you can factorize and it is coming from the identity I am telling, that is what bacho, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, which is equals to a plus b plus c whole multiplied by a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus e. It comes from here, right? It comes from this identity. Check karo, right? So now, though here in place of a, which one is there? X. In place of b, which one is there? In place of c, which one is there? 4. So therefore you can write now this is x plus y plus 4 multiplied by x square. We have to write x square plus y square plus 4 square minus whatever. क्या है? a into b. a क्या है? a क्या है? बोलो. x into y minus y into how much? 4 minus क्या है? 4 into x. Got it all? Is that clear? So therefore now x plus y value is given. बच्चों x plus y क्या है? minus 4. So now if I am replacing minus 4 plus 4 means this factor will become 0. So 0 into right side क्या है? So the answer क्या है? x square plus y square plus 4 square whatever you just write minus y into 4 minus 4x equals to minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So 0 into 0 is 0 answer. Is that clear? Is that clear? Right? So it is also based on that. You can try that, right? It is also based on that or not? Check karo x cube. It is, you can write minus 2y cube. Okay. Minus 36xy minus 216. 216 is whose cube? 6 cube. 6 cube. You can do this, right? Okay. But tell me now this question answer kya hai? Ye question ka. Have you solved this one? Have you solved everyone? Chalo solve kar do. Chalo solve kar do. Okay, those who are present online, be there, right? Because I will continue after also, right? I will solve all questions. Yeah, Avinash, are you there? Very good. So tell me, what is your doubt? Your doubt, tell me what is. You can text me, okay? Through WhatsApp also. It is Muduli. Okay, over. Bolo. Complete kar do. So this one, are you clear? Here x is what? Sorry, a here x. Here b kya hai? What will take? Or no, what will take? Minus 2y. Minus 2y you have to take. Understand? Okay, we will solve. Is that over? Second one completed. Okay, third one. This one solve karo. हो गया क्या? If this is completed, tell me. I will solve the next question then after. This one over, yes? No? Over. ठीक है. चला erase. Over बच्चों. Everyone. Okay, shall we move to the next question? टू 2.4 example last question क्या देखो. What is 2.4? Over this is. Oh, that one. Okay, that is Punya's doubt. Let me solve first that one. Hey, over this is. ठीक है? Any doubt? हाँ. अरे Punyas, you can go through that video na. I have made also. Okay, फिर भी once again we will solve. Which one you are not clear? This part is over, everyone. ठीक है, चलो. Now third one. Let us complete third one. Then after we'll move. So as for that same identity, that is a square plus b square plus c square minus 3abc. Check करो ना, a plus b plus c क्या है here? A plus b plus c 0.2 plus how much? We can write that is what you actually question what you should not. Yeah, you should write the question like this way. It is actually without finding the cube, you have to solve. So therefore, you should write always in plus. Though minus given, you know cube of negative is always negative. So no matter. So therefore, minus you take inside, right? Minus 0.3 whole cube plus 0.1 cube. So बच्चों here a क्या है 0.2, b क्या है minus 0.3, c क्या है 0.1. So therefore a plus b plus c क्या है 0.2 plus minus 0.3 plus 0.1. So therefore 0.2 plus 0.1 is how much 0.3 minus 0.3. So it is क्या है 0. So 0 into that right side will be what 0. So therefore aq plus bq plus cq would be what 3abc. Are you getting? Okay, that formula check karo. aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc. Why 0? Because a plus b plus c is 0 equals to 0. So therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. So though we have taken this is a, this is b, this is c, so a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3 into a into b into c. So 3 into a क्या है बोलो 0.2 into minus 0.3 into how much 0.1, right? So 3 to just 6, 3, 9. अरे कितना है कितना बोलो 2 into 3 6 0 point how much 0.06. 2 points are there na. Okay, if you simplify like this, you have to simplify 2 by 10 into minus 3 by 10 into 1 by 10. Is that clear, everyone? So 3 to 6, 3 9. 3 to 6 into 3 18 minus 18 by how much 1000. So it would be how much minus 0 point how much 018. Is that clear? हाँ तो बूढ़े मत है ठीक है क्लियर 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 एवरीवन बोलो ऑनलाइन क्लियर है ना this question. So whenever you will see cube form, do not find directly. So if you find, it will be completely wrong because question will ask you by using identity solve this. So you have to use the identity. Okay. Do you know what is x plus a into x plus b? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Check. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Done. Chalo. Now, Punya's question. Actually, I should solve these two questions, but let me solve Punya's question. Where is Punya's question? Where is Punya's? Punya's, is that? Are you there? No, it is not. Yeah. Second one. There are two questions. Bacho check karo. There are two questions. Second one we will solve. Second one. Are you there? Punya's, tell me. Punya's, are you there? Check. Okay. Let us solve that. Right? So get ready. Now check karo. Question is visible, right, everyone? So question is a plus b plus c whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube equals to 3 into a plus b whole multiplied by b plus c whole multiplied by c plus c. To understanding this question, you should know bacho what is a cube plus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube? Bolo. A plus b. Will you use that? A plus b whole cube minus 3 ab into a plus b. You'll use that. Yeah, you'll use which one? That is a plus b whole multiplied by a square plus b square plus b square minus ab na. Which one will you use? Bolo. This one or this one? Which one? Second one. Okay. ठीक है. Similarly, a cube minus b cube is what? A plus b or a minus b. It is a minus b into a square plus b square plus a. Right? Now check karo. A plus b plus c whole cube is there. Let me take LHS. Let me take LHS. LHS is what? A plus b plus c whole cube minus a cube minus what is that? Follow. Minus b cube minus c cube. Now check karo bachcho. A plus b plus c whole cube. What shall I take? B plus c will take. Okay. A plus b you can take or b plus c you can take also. Check karo. What we will do here. We will not touch this 3. We will not touch this 3. We have to only expand this one. Okay. Now check karo. I am taking b plus c is how much? Like let x. Shall I write x? Yeah, you can understand. I'm writing x. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Let b plus c equals to how much? X. Got it? If b plus c is x, I can write this is a plus x whole cube. A plus x whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. Now tell me बच्चों a plus x whole cube. A plus x whole cube क्या है? A plus x whole cube क्या है? A cube? A cube? 3 into ax into a plus x into plus x cube, right? Okay, so let us write the same. So here a plus a cube plus 3ax I'm writing, a cube plus 3x cube, right? Let us write now x, right, into a plus x plus, are you solving everyone? Are you solving? Don't sit idle. Chalo solve karo with me, right? Minus a cube minus b cube minus a cube. Then a cube, what is that? We have to write plus 3 into b plus c. Who's all able to understand now? See where I have changed. This is ax whole cube formula I have applied. In place of x, I am writing which one? B plus c. Whole multiplied by a plus x. A plus x प्लस में क्या डालेंगे बोलो? B plus c. Done. Plus what is that? X cube. X कौन है? B plus c whole cube minus a cube minus b cube. As it is, we have kept that. Is that clear? Is that clear, everyone? Tell me. Okay, check. Next, after that, what we have to do? We will not touch. Check our a cube. We will not touch. 3 into a into b plus will not touch. This one will keep as it is. Now only we have to simplify b plus c whole cube. Are you getting my point? We have to solve in this step only b plus c whole cube, but we have to write each terms. We have to write each term. So that is a cube plus 3 into a multiplied by b plus c multiplied by a plus b plus c. Here bolo, what will get? B plus b cube plus c cube plus 3bc into b plus c. B cube plus c cube plus 3bc into what? B plus c. Means that is like a plus x whole cube, the way we have written. A cube plus x cube plus 3 into ax into a plus x, right? Is that clear? B cube plus c cube plus 3bc into b plus c. Clear? Hai ki nahi bolo? Align. So here minus a cube minus b cube minus. As I said, we will not touch minus BQ minus AQ minus CQ. We have not touched right now here. So now check karo. Now the time came to touch them. Cancelled. Is that clear? Is that clear, everyone? Now check which two term left. Which two term left right now? This term and this term left. Clear? In these two term, what is common? 3 into b plus c is common. 3 into b plus c is common. So we can write now 3 into b plus c from these two term. Right? Now, from first term, what is left? A into a plus b plus c. Left. From this term, b plus c already we have taken 3, we have taken left what? bc. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, now I'm erasing this part, right? Now check karo. Now check karo. This equals to what is left? 3 into b plus c. B plus c. Now we can multiply this. Okay. So while multiplying, we'll get a into a square, a into b, a b plus a into c, a c plus bc. Is that clear? Is that clear? Right? So now 3 into b plus c, Now bacho, we will make a group. A square and AC. A square and AC is a group. Are you clear? A square AC will make a group. So I'm writing them a square plus AC together plus AB plus BC together, right? So 3 into B plus C multiplied, right? By from these two, what is common? From these two, what is common? Check karo dhyan se. A square AC. A is common, right? A is common. So A common taken. Left what? A plus C. Similarly, bacho, from these two, what is common? Bolo. So B is B or plus B? Plus B. So what is left? A plus C. Right? So therefore 3 into B plus C from these two. What is common, bolo? A plus C, Rema. AC 9. A plus C, right? Whole multiplied by A plus B. Now our work is over or not? So 3 into B plus C into A plus C into A plus B. Is that RHS? RHS clear? Proved. ठीक है ना? ठीक है ना? Clear? बोलो online वाले. Patra, are you clear? Now you have left any doubt? Tell me. You can repeatedly, you can see this, right? Okay, okay, I'm coming to that, right? Okay, done. This is bolo. Okay, have you written? You have to solve this. Is okay. So now you want to leave? Tell those who want to leave, you can leave. Your parents are waiting, na? Okay, I'm continuing. You can see me at your home, right? So let me finish some questions. Kulip will be here. You will leave. You leave? Oh, जाओ. चलो चलो ठीक है. Take a break, बच्चों. Okay, only 2 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, ठीक है. Same 10 marks. चलो जाओ. Now, बच्चों, only we will talk, right? Together now. Get ready. Punyas, are you there? Are you there? Yes, like the Baba. If you are there, Punyas, Abhinas. Okay. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming that question. Rekha's galaxy, somebody is there, right? Jao, Tata Papa. Jao. You'll join all, okay? Okay, let us take 2 minute break, right? Okay, everyone. Then after we will join. Okay, only 2 minutes. Be there. Okay. Ready everyone? Ready? Okay. So let me solve one question, then after I'll see the doubts, right? Doubt part. Okay. Clear? Chalo, get ready everyone. Get ready all. कौन है? दो तक क्लोज कर दे. खाली खाली just close कर. Only close कर. हाँ. ठीक. Tell me what is the question? See, the question is, okay, get ready everyone. Okay, get back to next question is, find the factor. Which of the following is a factor of x plus y whole cube minus x cube plus y cube, right? Okay. So now here, you know what is x plus y whole cube? What is that? We have to write this is what? X plus x cube plus y cube plus 3 3xy into x plus y. We can write this. Clear? And this is, if I'm opening, I'll get a minus x cube minus y cube, right? So therefore this is a cancelled, right? What is left? That is 3xy into x plus y. Now in book, this whole is not there in options. Whole is not there, but it is there 3xy in option D. You check, that is there 3xy. It is a NCERT exemplar book. Okay, page number 15, question number 17, right? Page 15, question number 17. Okay, so though 3xy is there, 3 into xy is a factor of this. Got it? Only if 3 would be there, then you can say 3 is a factor. If x is there, x is a factor. If y is there, y is a factor. If x plus y is there, x plus y is a factor. But which one is there? 3xy. Are you clear? Done? Take? No doubt? Okay. Now I'm moving to another question. No. So you'll be alone? You do one thing, you stand there outside, okay? Mother will come, you go, right? Or you call your mother, right? You called? You call. Be there, huh? Okay. Now let us coming to your doubt, right? So what is the question? What is the question? Where is the question? Punyas, are you clear? Okay. Okay, there is a question, there is a doubt one student has sent. Let us solve that. Are you there, Obinas Muduli? Are you there? If you are there, you can send me. Yes. Okay, are you ready? So now your question is, if a plus b, okay, let me come to where that part, that book, let me open. Okay, so it will be better, you can understand easily. If there any doubt, you can ask, right? In between, I'm solving a question. Otherwise, we will solve directly. the MCQ part. Now see, I hope this is Abhinas, your doubt. Check karo. Abhinas, your doubt is this question. Okay, this 7 number, right? So I'm coming to your doubt part. Is this ready? So this is your question. Okay, look at here now. Look at here. Question is given. Question is given if A, B, C all are non-zero and A plus B plus equals to 0, then what is the prove that this is 3, right? So for that, what you have to do, you have to write first a formula or an identity, that is AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC equals to how much? A plus B plus C whole multiplied by A square plus B square by C square minus AB minus BC minus C. This is rough work. I have written this identity. Now, are you clear? So now A plus B plus C is given 0. You have to write it is given that A plus B plus C is 0 is given. Okay. Now LHS we will take in this question. LHS. What is the LHS? That is A square plus B square plus C square. Avinas. A square by BC, B square by CA, and C square by AB. It is given in LHS. So therefore, what is the LCM of BC, CA, and AB? Do you know what is the LCM of BC and CA and AB? LCM will find. For that, you let us divide with A each term. You'll get here BC, you'll get here what? C, you'll get here B. Now again divide by B, you'll get C. Okay, though C is not divisible, you'll get C, and here you'll get 1. Now further you divide by C, 1, 1, 1. So therefore the LCM is what? A into B into C. Clear? Clear, tell me, right? Okay. Okay, clear? So therefore ABC divided by BC is how much? ABC divided by BC is A, so A square into A is AQ plus ABC divided by CA is what? B, B into B square is what? BQ, okay, plus ABC divided by AB is how much? C, C into C square is how much? CQ. ABC divided by BC, you'll get A into A square is AQ, okay, and ABC divided by CA, C into A, will get B, B into B square, will get BQ, and ABC divided by AB, you'll get C, C into C square, that is what? CQ, that is CQ, okay. So therefore it will become what? AQ plus BQ plus CQ by ABC. Now बच्चों, if A plus B plus C is 0, question given already, A plus B plus C is 0. If A plus B plus C is 0, if A plus B plus C is 0, AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC equals to 0. If A plus B plus C is 0, it is 0. Hence, AQ plus BQ plus CQ equals to how much? 3ABC. Is that clear? Because it is given A plus B plus C is 0. So therefore 0 into this is 0. So this is equals to 0. So AQ plus BQ plus CQ equals to 3abc. Are you clear? Hence, in place of aq plus bq plus cq, we can write 3abc whole divided by abc, so equals to 3, equals to RHS. Hence proved. Clear? Yes. Yes. If clear, लिख दो. Yes, लिख दो. Okay. Let us move to the next question. Any more doubt? Tell me. If you have doubt, you can text me. Chalo, let us move to the next question. Let us move to the next question. Over this is okay. So the next question is here. This question, bacho. If x minus 2 is a factor of this and a minus b is 6, find the value of a and b. Is that visible? Is that visible question? Question is visible or not? Tell me. Chalo, पढ़ लो question. See this question. Question visible? This question. This question. Check karo. We have to find A and B. Clear? So let us solve this question. Let us solve this question. If you have seen the question, let us solve this question. First, write down this question, everyone. Okay? Chalo, solve karo this question. See this, it is given that if x minus 2 is a factor of this, find A and B. Find A and B. Okay. Now let the polynomial, this is the polynomial given, let the polynomial will write p of x. P of x. Just a second. Okay, check karo. So here p of x will write how much, that is x cube plus x square plus bx plus 16. This is p of x is given, right? So now question is saying x minus 2 is a factor of this, right? Do you know factor theorem? Though x minus 2 is a factor of this x minus 2, so you know you have to equate x minus 2 is 0, so x equals to 2 means p of 2 equals to 0. P of 2 equals to 0. P of 2 equals to 0. Are you clear, everyone? So let us replace x by 2. Let us replace x by 2. So which is 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus 16 equals to 0. 2q is how much? 8 plus 2 square is how much? 4a, okay, plus 2b plus 16 equals to 0. Now check karo. 4a plus 2b. 4a plus 2b plus how much? 24 equals to how much? 0. Is that clear, everyone? Check karo. So we will take letters. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Or further, we can simplify by taking common. Though here 2 is common, so we can simplify by taking 2 as common. So that is 2a plus b plus 12 equals to 0. So this implies 2a plus b plus 12 equals to 0. Why? 2 is divided, 0 by 2 is 0. So we got this is, let us, this is number 1 question. But bachcho check karo, it is given here a minus b equals to 6. A minus b is how much given? 6 is given. So let us from here, a minus b is 6 given. From here, what is a value? What is a value? Okay, a equals to 6 plus b. Got it, everyone? So then, now this is equation number 2. Let us replace a in where? Equation 1. Let us replace a in equation 1. So putting a in equation 1. The value of a we have to put in where? Equation 1. Is that clear? Is that clear, everyone? Bolo? Okay. So therefore, what will become this one while replacing a value in 1? So wherever a we have tried that one. So means it will become 2 into a. Check 2a, 2a. So 2a will become 2 into 6 plus b. Got it? Plus b, okay, plus b plus 12 equals to 0. Check karo. 2a in place of a I have written 6 plus b was there, I have written b plus 12 I have written equals to 0. Clear, everyone? Yes, like those you have clear, right? So this implies 2 into 6 how much? 12 plus 2 into b. 2 into 6 12. 2 into b is 2b plus b plus 12 equals to 0. Clear? Now check karo. 12 plus 12, 24. 2b plus b is how much? 3b. 3b plus 24 equals to 0. Hence, 3b equals to minus 24. So b equals to minus 24 by 3. This implies b equals to minus 8. We have got b is minus 8. But question is asking for what? A and B, both A and B. That's why you have to find right now which one? Other value. Other one, which one? Other one, which one? That is A. Now check your equation 2. Equation 2. A is how much? A equals to 6 plus minus 8. A equals to 6 plus B. So B is minus 8. So 6 minus 8 is how much? How much? Bolo, minus 2. Is that clear? Is that clear, everyone? Check karo. Note it down in your copy. Check karo. Note it down, bacho. Note it down immediately. Clear? I hope everyone clear, understood, right? If yes, bol do. Yes, yes, लिख दो. Okay. Shall we move to the next question? Get ready, everyone. Next question. You can take the screenshot. If you have not written, you can take the screenshot and write it down. Okay. Chalo. Let us move to the next question. Next question is here. Question is this. Okay. So there is two questions. We will solve one by one. This is first one. Okay. This is second one. Here is second question. Two questions are here, right? By remainder theorem, find the remainder. By remainder theorem, find the remainder when p of x is divided by g of x. But whenever you solve the question, first read thoroughly what is question asking. I hope clear, everyone. Yes, are you clear or not? Question पढ़ लो immediately question. Okay, chalo. Okay, chalo, let us see now bachcho, what is p of x. P of x is which one? P of x is x cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1. This is p of x. G of x is what? X plus 1. What each question is asking? Find the remainder by remainder theorem. By remainder theorem, find the remainder. Okay. So while finding remainder, you have to equate g of x with 0 to get x value. Okay. So therefore, g of x is how much? 0. So, but g of x is given x plus 1. So x plus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 1. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear? X value. Okay. So now remainder is, though remainder theorem is not in your syllabus, but for factor theorem it is required. Okay. So remainder equals to what? P of which one? Minus 1, that is a minus 1 cube minus 2 into, means we have to replace this x by minus 1 in where? In P of x, that is minus 1 square minus 4 into minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 q is how much? Minus 1 minus 2 into 1 minus into minus is how much? Plus 4 minus 1. That is minus 1 minus 2 into 1 is how much? Minus 2 plus 4 minus 1. 3. Check karo. So therefore, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 plus 3. Hence, the remainder is 0. Hence, the remainder is 0. So when remainder is 0, this g of x is a factor of p of x. Is that clear, everyone? Bolo, everyone, clear hai ki nahi? Chalo, note it down, this one. Okay, then after we'll solve a factorization. There are two factorizations are there. Okay, chalo, let us see. Okay, if you are having also doubt, you can ask me. Okay, somebody is asking me what is factor theorem. Okay, I'm explaining what is factor theorem. Okay, after this two question, we will also going to over the class, right? And but before that, I have to explain you what is factor theorem. We will solve only two questions, then after you will do your self study at your home. Okay. Chalo. Over this is over. Let us move to this question. See the question. Question is given factorize, check karo. 9x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 16yz minus 24xz. Got it? Okay. So then how to factorize this? For factorizing, keep in your mind, you have to check it is coming from which identity. Who can say which identity? Do you know this identity, everyone? The identity is a plus b plus c whole square. That is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. It is coming from this identity, right? So though this is coming from this identity, hence we have to first write in this form. Factorizing means writing an expression product of its factor. Therefore, we have to first write what? This expression in this form. It is not in this form actually. We have to write that. How it is not this form? Because we need to write a what? Perfect square. Here, though 9x square written, we have to write as a perfect square, that is 3x whole square. Okay, everyone, check. Plus 2 into y. Check karo. I have to change the symbol. I will say you about this 3 term later on. Let me first write this 3 here as a perfect square. So this is 2y whole square. Got it? Plus 16z square. We can write this is what? 4z whole square. Okay, check karo. First 3 term we have written as a perfect square. Okay, as in the identity. But question is that in identity the last 3 terms are positive term, but here given check karo, last 2 term are negative. First we'll write them as positive. Okay, how to write? I'm telling you, check karo. Though here y into z is minus, when y into z will become minus, या तो y minus or z minus, या तो y minus or z minus. But बच्चों, if y would be minus, then this term must be what? Negative. Though this term is negative, though this term is positive, so y is not negative. Now check karo z. If z negative, then this term definitely z negative, y positive, y is positive. Then this term definitely what? If we'll choose z negative, then this term definitely negative. Similarly, this term, yes, for this term already though we have taken z negative, then x must be what? Positive. Then check karo, this term will become na, if z negative, x positive, then this term will become what? Negative. So therefore we have found here the 3 variable which is given x, y, z. X positive, y negative, z negative we can take. Okay, x positive, y negative, sorry, x positive and y positive, z negative will take. Okay, everyone, let us write. So x positive, y positive, z is negative, means I am writing this is what? Minus 4z. Then after it will become check karo plus 2 into ab check karo, a kya hai? 3x into 2y, 3x into 2y plus, I am following which one? Identity. Plus what? 2 into b ab, 2 into ab, bachcho here is ab, right? 2 into bc plus 2 into ca. So bc, b is how much here? B is how much? B is here 2y. Check karo, 2 into 2y into minus 4z into minus 4z, right? Plus 2 into minus 4z into x, 3x is that. So now it is written according to the identity. Check karna, this is 2 into 3. 2 into 3 into 2. How much? 12xy. 2 into minus 4, minus 8, 2, 16, minus 16, yz, minus 4 into 2, minus 8 into 3, minus 24, zx or xz, we have written. So therefore, it will be written as 3x plus 2y minus 4z whole square. This is the factorization. And last step, you can write 3x plus 2y minus 4z whole square means 3x plus 2y minus 4z, right? This is the final answer of this question, right? So note it down, everyone. I hope clear. If not, text me, right? Clear? If clear, chalo. If clear, we will move to the next question, next factorization. Okay, okay. Are you clear? Basically, this step is important for finding the sign of the torque, that is sign of the variables. This what this step is. So you have to identify that. Clear? All? Okay. Okay, root 17 I am going to explain. Don't worry, root 17. So I will solve. Okay. I'll solve. One more question. Okay, you try all. Over this is take. Chalo. Let us move. Let us move to a question, that is how to represent root 17 on number line. So basically here scale is required, root 17. Clear? So what you will do here, if this is an irrational number, square root of irrational is irrational. So for expressing that on number line, you have to take let x equals to 17. So we will find root x now. We will find root x. I am explaining root x. Accordingly, you can solve root 17. Okay. So though I will not use here any scale, so I can take any arbitrarily, right? So as per the question, what you'll take? X is 17, we have assumed. You have to take let this is x. AB is x unit. AB is how much? X unit. Got it? Then after produce this AB to 1 unit. Okay, C. And you produce this line. Means you have taken AB is x. X means as per your value 17. You have to take AB 17. Got it? Then after you produce which one? B to C. You should take a line here. You produce B to C. How much? 1. Means if x is 17, then 17 plus 1 is 18. Means AC is 18. Is that clear? Is that clear? Right? Then after you draw a perpendicular bisector of which one? SC. Perpendicular bisector of SC. How you will draw perpendicular bisector? Through your compass you will take what? Length which is more than the half of the length of AC. More than half of length of AC. Means आधा से ज़्यादा. You will take a length which is more than half of length of AC. So then from center A, you will draw one arc above AC, other one below AC. And from C, you have to draw one above AC and other one below, right? From C. From A, two arc upper lower. From C with same radius, which one you have taken, which is more than the half of the length of AC. Then after joining this point, this 2 point, which point you have got, you write that is what? O. Clear? Tell me. You have to write that is O. Then after writing this is O, okay, you will take O as center and A as radius. OA as radius. Okay. Then by taking OA radius, you have to draw, by taking O as center, OA as radius, you draw a semicircle like this. Okay, which will meet also C. You'll ask me why? Because O is the midpoint of AC. So when you'll take O center, OA radius, whenever you draw a semicircle, so that will also passes through C. Done. Okay. Then at point B, by the help of protractor, draw a perpendicular. By the help of protractor, draw the perpendicular and you produce this line. Wherever this will meet to the semicircle, you put that name is BD. This BD is your root x. Means you wanted to take 17, so that is root 17. Okay, so BD is root 17. Then after measure BD, take B center and draw an arc on this produced line. Write E. So therefore BE is your root x, means which one you have taken? Root 17. Got it? Only in place of 17 I have taken what? X. So x means you can take any non-perfect square there. Got it? Clear? Tell me if clear. Yes लिख दो. ठीक है? Rekha's galaxy, are you clear? बोल बेटा. Rekha's galaxy, are you clear or not? Okay. Check. चलो ड्रॉ कर लो. Okay, then after also you have said what? 2 plus root 2. Which middle one? Especially from point O, you have got, how did you got point O? By taking AC. You have to take AC perpendicular bisector. AC is perpendicular bisector. Got it? You will ask me, sir, in scale that is 15 centimeter, which one I having? 15 plus 2, you can do that. That is 17, right? So then AC you have to bisect. Perpendicular bisector you have to draw. Perpendicular bisector, how to draw? From A, you will take an arc which is half of, more than the half of length of AC. More than the half of length of AC. After taking that, from A, you have to take an arc above AC line, below AC line, from A. Okay. Similarly, from C, with same radius, take 2 arc above AC as well as below AC. Then they will form 2 points like this. So you just join these 2 points. Got it? After joining, you'll get O. Then by taking O as center, OA as radius. O center, OA radius. O center, OA radius. Draw a semicircle which will meet C. Which will meet C. Got it? Then at point B, means which one you have produced? You have taken till AB X. Then at point B, you draw a perpendicular. How? You put your protector and see wherever 90-degree, mark that. Then you join that 2 point. You join, you point out or you write, mark this point as a D. Which point? The perpendicular line intersected where at the semicircle. Is that clear? That is point D. Now length of BD is what? Your question. Which one is asking? Root 17. Though I have taken X, you can take also there root 17. So then, but this is not the number line. Number line must be a horizontal line. So therefore, though BC is 1, so B is what? 0. So now from B, by taking B center, BD as radius, you have to draw an arc. Wherever it is intersecting, that is E. So this E value is root 17. Means from B to E distance is root 17. Clear now? Clear? Tell me. Beta Kuldeep, all the questions, whatever I have solved selective, right? All questions. Don't worry. So you can do better. Line through O, that is bisector, perpendicular bisector. Okay. Take. Chalo. Now let us coming to factor theorem. One of a student had asked. Let us move to factor theorem. Okay. Who is there? Is that student present? Factor theorem. What is factor theorem? Check karo. If P of X be a polynomial, if P of X be a polynomial and A is any real number, A is any real number. Real number means 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1, 2 minus 3, 4. Any P by Q form, these are real number. So when this real number subtracted from X, that will become X minus A is a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means when a polynomial P of X whose degree n greater than 1 divided by X minus A, if we'll get 0 as the remainder, then that is factor theorem. But how to write that? Whenever we divide X minus A, if remainder will be 0, then that is the factor theorem. But how we'll write? We'll write if P of X be a polynomial, if P of X be a polynomial n greater than 1, n greater than n means the degree n, right? You can write degree n greater than 1 and A is any real number. Okay, then first bit is P of A is any real number, then a linear polynomial X minus A, this X minus A, right? If A is a real number, then X minus A is a what? Linear polynomial, because its power is 1. So then what happened? First bit is if P of X means the polynomial. If P of A equals to 0, if P of A equals to 0 means the remainder is 0, then X minus A is a factor of P of X. Second one, if x minus a is a factor of p of x, then p of a equals to 0. Means if remainder 0, the given linear polynomial is a factor, and if linear polynomial is a factor, then remainder must be 0. This is our point, right? This is the factor theorem. Clear? Okay. Now you do your self study, right? And we will see tomorrow, meet each other, right? Okay. I hope you will do best, because don't worry, exam is good, right? Don't worry for question. You do your best, okay, in preparation. Give your best in preparation, definitely you'll do better. Okay, everyone. So I'm winding off the class now. You can leave all. Bye, everyone. Bye, and thank you, everyone.